Just testing the audio at distance, and you can start moving backwards and listen to me talk. And this is the audio on the DJI Action 3, as my daughter is so kindly moving backwards as I continue to talk at the same volume level, so you can hear me. See how it changes as the camera gets further and further away. And once she gets to about there, I'll stop the video. Now this is me talking on the SmallRig Wave W1-C, something like that, lavalier mic, as my daughter slowly backs away to the same distance in the last video. As you can hear, the volume should probably stay the same. Shouldn't change, shouldn't get quieter. Volume should stay at the same level. And yeah,